Kali karali cha manojavacha Sulohitayam cha sudhumra varna Spulingini vishwaruchi cha devi Lelayamana iti sapta jivvaha Kali karali cha manojavacha Sulohitayam cha sudhumra varna Spulingini vishwaruchi cha devi Lelayamana iti sapta jivhaha. The black, fierce, swift as mind, manojavacha. The deep red, sulohita, sudhumravarna, smoke colored, sparkling, and the bright Vishwaruchi Devi, all shining. These are the 7 swaying tongues of fire. Jihvaha, Sapta Jihvaha. Don't forget that he's talking about the performance of the yajna, which is the fire ritual. So he talks about the 7 flames that arise while you're performing the fire ritual. So these 7 flames, as he calls them, the jihva, the tongues of fire, these are the various color of flame that are indicating that the ritual is being performed well. So those who are performing the ritual, they keep an eye on these 7 flames that shoot up. So those who are performing the ritual, they keep an eye on these 7 flames, symbolizing an attitude of result orientation. So when you perform such result-oriented practices, you will find the Guru is actually going to demolish or destroy such result-oriented practices. He's ridiculing. So these are the people, the pseudo-religious practitioners who use religion to satisfy their own personal ends. So they use religion to satisfy themselves. So there's a subtle message of abusing religion here. The previous mantras, obviously, he spoke about how this yajna, the fire worship, should be performed carefully. And if you don't perform them with care, your 7 worlds are in ruins. The 3rd mantra, he said that. And now from the 4th mantra onwards, he is going to highlight the limitations of those who take to these karmakanda or the ritualistic practices. So you must pardon my language because I am compelled to use the language of the text. I am only a postman. If you have anything against me, you have as much as against the Guru of the text. You have against the Vedas. So it is your own childish attachment that you don't want to let go of your attachments. Like the child wants to take the teddy bear to school. The Parents will allow that teddy bear to be taken up to the gate of the school. At the point where you're entering the school, the parent will have to take it away from you, or the teacher will take it away from you before you enter the class. That's the pain you have to go through to let go of your attachments. You may be cursing, you may be angry, you may be emotional, but that's the price you pay, and that's the job the guru does. So any letting go of attachment is painful. So you will find this section coming out very hard on those who are attached to karma kanda or ritualistic practices, and all of us are stuck to some kind of ritual, attached to some kind of a form, some kind of worship. So objective is you must move on. So shall we move on to the fifth mantra?